It can be a scary world out there, and most of us work very hard to make our homes a safe and secure place for our children. Unfortunately, that is not the case for every family. Tonight, NBC 15's Darwin Singleton looks at how the COVID-19 pandemic is leaving some youngsters fearing more than just the virus.
The pandemic has been difficult for everyone, but some have suffered more than others.
From 2020 to 2021, we have seen an increase in physical abuse, sexual abuse, specifically in witnesses to violence.
Mary Beth Thomas is the director of Prescott House, Birmingham's child advocacy agency, and says Alabama's children have carried a disproportionate amount of that pain.
Children have been online a lot more, and so their availability is greater, and we've seen an increase in that.
In Alabama, nearly 30% of all child abuse and neglect reports come from school staff. And with children learning at home during the height of the pandemic, that vital connection was broken.
The children haven't had enough time to develop that relationship with someone that they would consider a safe adult.
It's the same story here in Mobile. We asked the Child Advocacy Center in Mobile if the COVID-19 pandemic and the at-home learning that came with it affected the number of child abuse cases they've seen. In 2019, the Child Advocacy Center conducted 2,892 child visits. In 2020, as the pandemic ramped up, that number dropped to 2,514. In 2021, the number of visits fell again to 2,170. Now that kids are back with teachers, more of their troubling secrets may be shared, leading to more child welfare checks. But Thomas says it won't happen overnight.
So their ability and their willingness to share what's happening has not reached the point where they feel comfortable enough to tell them.
In Mobile, Darwin Singleton, NBC 15 News.